How to delete all or remove viruses from an iPhone. Well, to remove viruses from an iPhone, you can start by restarting the device and updating the iOS. So to restart, you can simply proceed to press and hold the power button and it'll give you the list of options. From there, you can choose to restart your iPhone. Now, you can also proceed to update your software. To do so, you want to head over to settings. You can scroll down and proceed to software update here under general, and you can see software update. You can check if the update is available and make sure that you're updated to the latest version. Now you can also proceed to remove any browsing data and history. You can simply reinstall the browser, or you can do so through the application settings as well. Now, if you have a backup of your iPhone, what you can do is you can simply factory reset your iPhone, and once you have done so, you can proceed to back up your iPhone from the older backup. So this way you'll be removing any viruses that is currently on the device. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.